How to enable administrator protection in Windows 11. Windows 11 offers robust security features to protect your system from unauthorized changes and malware. One such feature is administrator protection, which ensures that administrative tasks require explicit user authorization. By enabling this feature, you can enhance system security by reducing the risk of accidental or malicious changes. What is administrator protection? Administrator protection enforces admin approval mode, which requires administrators to confirm their identity before performing tasks that require elevated privileges. This ensures that administrative privileges are only granted when explicitly authorized by the user. How to enable administrator protection. Method 1. Using local security policy. This method is available for Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. Open Local Security Policy. Press 1+R, type secpol.msc, and hit Enter. Navigate to Security Options. In the left pane, expand Local Policies and select Security Options. Configure Admin Approval Mode. Double-click on User Account Control. Configure Type of Admin Approval Mode. Enable Admin Approval Mode with Administrator Protection. Select Admin Approval Mode with Administrator Protection from the drop-down menu. Apply and restart. Click OK to save changes, then restart your computer to enable the settings. Method 2. Using Registry Editor. If local security policy is not available, e.g., on Windows 11 Home, you can use the Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor. Press 1+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to the registry key. Go to hkuy_local_machine/software/Microsoft/current version/policies/system. Create or modify the dword value. Right-click on the System key, select New dword, 32-bit, value, and name it Type of Admin Approval Mode. Set the value data. Double-click on Type of Admin Approval Mode, set its value to 2, and click OK. Restart your computer. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Benefits of enabling administrator protection. Enhanced security prevents unauthorized changes by requiring explicit approval for admin tasks. Protection against malware blocks malware that attempts to execute elevated commands without authorization. Better control ensures that only authenticated users can perform critical system changes. Final thoughts. Enabling administrator protection in Windows 11 adds an extra layer of defense, ensuring that elevated tasks require user authentication. Whether you use local security policy or the Registry Editor, the process is simple and highly effective in securing your system. Protect your Windows 11 environment today with this straightforward configuration.